Hi, I got this box from Florida from my friend Ric Miller, and he's sending me the last wee Woodie Rembrandt press that he made. He said on the telephone it's just gathering dust in his museum, and so it might as well be gathering dust in my museum. He told me that it was made of nicer wood, and I see what he means. It looks like black walnut. Very similar to the press I remember sending to Georgia to an owner, a real collector's item. Boy, this really is a deluxe version of the wee Woodie. Here's the wheel off. And it has a brass medallion. Man, this is a press that I forgot that we worked on. It's gorgeous. He said that the foots were broken. That's these little parts here. Remember that movie, Toy Story? I think it was probably the first one. And it shows Woody having been damaged or something, and the collector takes it to an old man. And this old man fixes Woody and paints his shoes and all that. I always loved that scene because I'm an old man, and the implication in that film, that Pixar film, was that it's old men like this that know how to do things like repair toys. And it makes me think when I'm fixing this wee Woodie Rembrandt press, I think about that scene in that Pixar movie, and I'm sort of living that scene. These are color-coded. And this is the crowning glory, the brass badge.